Welcome to our latest video where we're soaring to new heights to bring you the top 5 best drones of the year. Whether you're a professional videographer seeking breathtaking aerial shots or a hobbyist wanting to explore the skies, choosing the right drone is crucial. In today's tech-savvy world, drones are not just about flying, they're about capturing moments, inspecting infrastructure, and even delivering packages. With countless options in the market, picking the best can be overwhelming. That's why we've done the research and compiled a list of the best drones that combine quality, performance, and innovative features to enhance your flying experience. For more such content, subscribe to our channel now and press the bell icon for regular updates. If you want to know more about the products or their latest pricing, links to all the products mentioned in this video are given in the description box below. Let's get started. At number 5, we have Anti-Gravity. A1. Dive into the future of aerial photography with the Anti-Gravity A1. This ultralight drone, weighing just 249 grams with the standard battery, stays under FAA registration thresholds, making it perfect for the hobbyist or content creator looking to fly without hassle. Designed for an immersive FPV flight experience, the A1 comes with vision goggles and a grip motion controller that promise intuitive control and breathtaking perspectives. Capture stunning 8K 360-degree videos that cleverly erase the drone from your footage thanks to the invisible drone feature powered by Insta360 stitching technology. Whether scaling the heights up to 4,000 meters or zipping through a breezy park, this drone handles it all with grace and agility. Its compact size and retractable landing gear mean it's as portable as it is powerful. With a transmission range of up to 10 kilometers and advanced safety features, you can explore and fly with confidence. Everything you need comes in one neat package, including the drone, goggles, controller, and battery. Elevate your drone experience with the Anti-Gravity A1. At number 4, we have the DJI Mini 3, your perfect partner for capturing life's grand adventures. Weighing in at just under 249 grams, this ultra-compact and foldable drone is not only portable, but also robust enough to withstand wind speeds up to 38 kilometers per hour. Designed to bring out the photographer in everyone, it features a high-quality 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor that snaps 12-megapixel stills and records stunning 4K HDR video at 30 frames per second. Its low-light performance is impressive thanks to dual native ISO and an f1.7 aperture, ensuring your footage is crisp and clear no matter the lighting condition. The 3-axis gimbal keeps your shots steady, while the unique true vertical shooting mode is ideal for trendy social media content creators. With an exceptional battery life of up to 38 minutes, extended further to 52 with an optional upgrade, the DJI Mini 3 lets you explore and capture more of your world. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned flyer, this drone is tailored to make aerial photography fun, safe, and extraordinary. At number 3, we have DJI Mini 4 Pro. Meet the DJI Mini 4 Pro, your new go-to drone for capturing life's magical moments from the skies. Weighing in at under 249 grams, this little marvel packs a punch well above its class. Imagine this: stunning 48-megapixel photos and ultra-smooth 4K 60 frames per second HDR videos, all detailed and vibrant, bringing your vision to life just as you imagine it. And with up to 34 minutes of flight time, you get ample sky time to explore, capture, and create. Navigating with the Mini 4 Pro is a breeze, thanks to the omnidirectional obstacle sensing, which gives you the confidence to fly safely in complex environments. Whether it's swooping between alleyways or circling tall structures, this drone handles it all with grace, courtesy of the revolutionary Active Track 360-degree technology that keeps your subject perfectly framed. Perfect for both beginners and seasoned pilots, the DJI Mini 4 Pro offers an intuitive interface, robust safety features, and a compact design that slips right into your bag. Ready to take your content to new heights? The Mini 4 Pro is your ticket to awe-inspiring aerial photography and videography. Let the adventures begin. At number 2, we have DJI Flip. Meet the DJI Flip, the mini drone that's making big waves. Weighing in at just under 249 grams, it's as light as an apple, but packed with heavyweight features. Seamlessly launch it from your palm without a controller and marvel at its ease and safety thanks to the foldable full-coverage propeller guards reinforced with carbon fiber. Capture your world in stunning detail with the DJI Flip's powerful 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor. Whether it's expansive landscapes or detailed portraits, the camera's dual-native ISO fusion technology and large f1.7 aperture ensure vibrant, clear images. Fancy a film? Record in breathtaking 4K/60 frames per second, HDR, or experiment with 4K/100 frames per second for smooth, slow-motion visuals. And don't worry about flight time. You'll get up to 31 minutes to explore and create. Navigating through your flight is a breeze with intelligent features like quick shots for cinematic effects and focus track for following subjects. Got your hands full? Just say, "Hey Fly," and control your flip using voice commands via the DJI Fly app. Whether you're a newbie or a pro, the DJI Flip is designed to elevate your aerial photography experience. Ready to fly more and shoot more? Grab the Fly More combo and keep your adventures going. Finally, at number 1, we have the DJI Air 3S. This marvel of a drone stands out with its compact and travel-friendly design, folding neatly to accompany you on all your adventurous endeavors. Whether you're a professional photographer or a hobbyist, the DJI Air 3S is your perfect partner in capturing breathtaking views with its dual camera system. The primary wide-angle camera boasts an impressive 1-inch CMOS sensor, 50 megapixel resolution, and can shoot 4K videos at an eye-catching 120 frames per second. Perfect for those slow-motion shots. Meanwhile, the 70mm medium telephoto camera, equipped with 3 times optical zoom, excels in capturing distant subjects in stunning clarity. Navigating through tricky terrains at night? No worries. The forward-facing LiDAR and downward infrared sensors enhance obstacle sensing, making low-light flying safer. Plus, with a robust battery life of up to 45 minutes and resistance against winds up to 27 miles per hour, your creative session won't be cut short. The DJI Air 3S isn't just about power, it's also smart. Features like Active Track 360 degrees and automated path memory in well-lit areas ensure your focus stays on capturing great content rather than managing flight paths. Whether shooting vertically for social media or stitching panoramic shots, DJI Air 3S adapts to your needs, making it a pinnacle of drone technology tailored for creators on the move.
That's it for today, folks. If you find the video helpful, please like and share the video and subscribe to our channel for more such content. Thanks for watching.